Welcome to MedCore Academy. I'm Dr. Osama Al-Sheikhi, a consultant neurologist and a teaching staff member at the Faculty of Medicine. If you're a medical student or a resident, you know how overwhelming it can be to navigate the vast world of medicine. It often feels like you're just trying to memorize endless facts without truly understanding the core concepts. That's exactly why I created MedCore Academy. Our mission is simple: to transform complex medical knowledge into high-yield, actionable understanding that you can actually use it. We're here to guide you through your entire medical journey, from the fundamental sciences all the way to your fellowship. So, what can you expect from this channel? We offer structured, evidence-based education designed to make you a better student and a more competent doctor. We have comprehensive lectures covering everything from anatomy and physiology to advanced clinical topics like neurology and dermatology. We don't just throw information at you. We break it down into clear, digestible lessons that stick. But learning isn't just about watching lectures. That's why we also have walkthrough quizzes. These aren't your typical multiple-choice questions. These are challenging, exam-style clinical vignettes that train you how to think critically, piece together clues, and confidently arrive at the correct diagnosis and management plan. We teach you the asterisk, how asterisk, and the asterisk, why asterisk behind every decision. Whether you're just starting in your pre-medical year, deep into your clinical clerkships, preparing for your final exams, or a resident pursuing a postgraduate specialty, our content is curated for you. We focus on what's truly important. We cut through the noise to give you the high-yield, must-know information that will make the biggest impact on your exams and in your clinical practice. Why should you subscribe? It's about building clarity and confidence. We want to help you move away from passive learning and towards genuine competence. Our goal is to save you precious study time by delivering focused, effective content. Plus, you get to learn directly from a specialist who is actively practicing and teaching in the field, giving you real-world clinical insights you won't find in a textbook. Don't just study medicine, master it. If you're ready to take a definitive step toward academic excellence and clinical confidence, then join the MedCore Academy community. Hit that subscribe button now and let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.